Hello, welcome to Nine Design 3D. Today we will add some image to our text as a background. Let's go to the tutorial. First, we will go to unsplash.com. Which type image you want, you can download it from the free, but don't forget to check license. I downloaded this ocean from the Joseph and open in the Photoshop. After that, you can add your text, which font style you want. You can set it, and Ctrl T for transform and scale. From the properties panel, you can change your text species, and Ctrl T again and place it. Double click to your background and change its name. After that, move top of the text. Now right click and create clipping mask to this. It will look like that. You can move your image from here and set background to your text. Add new layer and move to down. From the edit and fill, you can choose which color you want. It will look like that. I will change it as a white. For the text, from the effects, you can add some drop shadow to this for give a bit of deepness. First example is ready. Let's make different things. Again, go to unsplash.com. You can search as a product. I downloaded this Polaroid from the Enico. Open it in the Photoshop. After that, add your text. And Ctrl T, transform and scale it. Where you want, you can place. Double click to your background and you can change your layer name. Move to the top. Right click and create clipping mask. Right click to your Polaroid layer and duplicate your layer. Move it to the down. Now you can choose your background or text and move it. It will look a bit glitchy. Which style you want, you can make it. Under the adjustment, add a hues and saturation. Decrease lightness a bit. Our text will appear like that. And if you want, you can add some saturation. Crop your image and set it. And press enter. Our examples are ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later in new tutorials.